Hey guys, Marco Joker 21. Today I got an unboxing of this uControl I got from Brookstone today. It was like about $50. It has a gyroscope. If you guys can just see right there, it just says gyroscope. There we go. This is the uControl Cloud Force RC helicopter unboxing. So yeah, here we go. I already just like opened this and just looked at the manual. This was the last one. They come in two different colors, black, red. The black and the golden version, which is right over there. But I didn't want that, so this was the only one. It was a little bit ripped up, but I was like, alright, let me just get it. Okay, got this box. There we go. Little box. Nothing's in it. Just packing. Here we got the helicopter. And that thing that just fell was this remote control, which is going to need some batteries. I definitely recommend Energizer batteries. These will last really long. Just got some from Walmart. It's only like $10 for a 20-pack. Some other replacement just in case anything breaks. I also got a 1-year warranty for this, so if I crash it, anything breaks, within 1 year they'll replace it. That's mostly it. Here's the helicopter. I'm gonna charge this up and I'll be right back. Hey guys, Marco Joker 21. I'm just gonna do the flight test now and gonna turn the lights on. So here we go. Oh, we have some technical difficulties. It's really actually easy to control this. This is a 3-channel remote. It is mode 2, and when I said I recommend Energizer batteries, I recommend rechargeable batteries because my batteries are already dead. Like they're really already dead. Because right here, as you guys can see, my thing's already blinking, and I just got this yesterday. So yeah, that's been the flight test of it. Marco Joker 21. Thank you for watching. Have any questions? Leave it down at the bottom. Peace.